An excavator working on a mountain loses balance and rolls down the slope. This incident reminds us how important it is to stay cautious when operating heavy machinery. A small mistake can lead to major consequences. A forklift's rear wheels lift off the ground. Several people hang onto the back to help, but it doesn't work. This shows how critical balance is when operating a forklift. A worker falls from a ladder. Luckily, nothing serious happens. But this incident is a reminder of how important safety is when using ladders. Using proper techniques and staying cautious can prevent accidents. During a wall demolition, an unexpected accident occurs. This shows the importance of staying alert on construction sites. An excavator tries to cross the tracks before a train but fails. The train hits the excavator and overturns it. A very dangerous accident occurs. A man is welding a fuel tank when it suddenly catches fire. Fortunately, he is not harmed. But the flames cannot be put out despite every effort. This shows how vital safety measures are when working with flammable materials. We should never stand close to trucks carrying heavy loads. Even a small mistake can cause a serious accident. A woman uses a ladder to change a light bulb. She loses her balance, and an accident occurs. This incident shows how important it is to stay careful and follow safety measures when using ladders. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more accident and safety videos.